Hello coders, I'm back again with another Excel video. Now imagine a problem set scenario based on this particular data being shown to you in this Excel sheet, that you are working as a CSC regional manager and you are being asked that to create a named folder of the employees. That is, you will be having a folder named Ashit Nag and then Torun Roy. So as you can already assume that if there is 16 data in this particular data set, so if the names would have been a greater one, creating folder of those named employees manually, it would have been a hectic job. So what we'll be doing is that first of all we'll be doing a helper column 1. We'll be having helper 1. This is a helper column, and what we'll be doing is that we have a DOS command known by the name of md, means make directory, and then concatenating with ampersand this Ashitna, then hit enter, and then we'll be double clicking in here just to autofill the rest of the records. But there is a one problem with this one, that in the md call, so in the formula bar, as you can see that it is showing md and then Ashit Nag. So md Ashit Nag means md Ashit will be one folder and Nag there will be another folder. So now we need to find a way out that make directory and this Ashit Nag will be one within only one single code. So what we will be doing is that we will be again having a helper column. So we will be naming it as helper 2. Fine. So now we will be doing is that within equal to within double quotation md. Fine. Okay, so Ashit Nag will be within one quotation. So we will be having md, and within double quote we will be having Ashit Nag. Now we will be using a Excel feature known by the name of flash fill, whose shortcut is Control E. So I think it is present in the data tab. Yeah, here it is, flash fill. As you can already see that it is showing that this particular shortcut is Control E. So what we will be doing is that we will be simply pressing Control E from our keyboard. Fine. Now we will be copying all of these names. Control C from our keyboard. Window M to minimize. Now here we can just create a new folder. Fine. So we will be naming this folder as CESC. Enter, and then hit enter one more time. Now here we will be having a textual document, but the extension of the textual document won't be txt, right? So I have already said that we will be using a DOS command. So for DOS the extension will be cmd, and we can give any name to the file, any name. So let me give it a name of any name, it doesn't matter. Let me press enter and enter, and then we'll be going to this edit section, and from here we will be pasting all of the names which we had earlier copied from the Excel. Now let's close this particular window and press save. Now whenever I am double clicking on this particular file, so here we are having, we are having 16 items selected, and let's roll back to our Excel sheet and let's see whether there was 16 records or not. So let me select all of this and see in the status bar it is showing count 16. So in this also, here also we are having 16 records. So now we can easily place within Achinto Das his PAN, Aadhaar and his meter reading status, whatever data we wish to place within this particular folder. So that's all for this short video over Excel. Thank you all guys, happy coding. Let me know in the comment section how you felt about this video. Thank you guys.